Increasing Blood Flow Through the Kidneys, Learning Outcome by Delynn Hughes, Anatomy and Physiology 2, Chapter 20. Your kidneys are important for filtration. At rest, your renal arteries are carrying between 15 to 30% of your entire cardiac output. This large output allows your kidneys to continuously process and clean the blood. Your kidneys filter approximately 150 quarts of blood per day. Your renal arteries. These arteries arise from the abdominal aorta and transport a large volume of blood to the kidneys. The kidneys filter waste and excess fluid from the blood. You have two renal arteries. The right renal artery supplies blood to the right kidney, and the left artery sends blood to the left. Blood travel through the arteries. The renal arteries divide into the segmental arteries, which branch into the interlobal arteries, which pass between the renal pyramids and branch into the arcuate arteries, which lead to the cortical radiate arteries, which lead to their last branch called afferent arterioles, which lead to the nephrons. When blood reaches the nephron, each afferent arteriole delivers blood to a group of capillaries in the glomerulus. Blood that passes through and is not filtered enters the efferent arteriole and is led to the peritubular capillaries. The peritubular capillaries empty into the venous system of the kidney. Only 10 to 15% of renal blood flow reaches the medulla, and this blood flow descends into capillary loops called the vasa recta that loop back to the cortex and then into the venous system. How filtered blood exits the kidneys. The venous blood returns from the nephrons almost the same way as the arterial blood entered. However, there are no segmental veins. So, from the cortical radiate veins to the arcuate veins to the interlobal veins to the renal veins, which joins the inferior vena cava through the abdominal cavity and back to the heart. Here's a diagram that just shows you a little bit of the path and how everything works in the kidneys. These are my sources. Thank you so much for taking time to view my video.